If you're looking for a software to write a book, I'm going to show you exactly what free software you have available to you. Now, the most common one and the most easy one that people usually go to is something called Google Docs, right? If you don't want to download Word or if you don't have a license for that, you can try Google Docs. This is completely free and it'll act like Google Word, except it's just online, right? And from here, you can just write your book, you can format it, and you can give it a lot of fonts, things like that. This is free, but of course, it's more generalized and things like that. But if you want something more focused, something more dedicated, there is an app called Focuswriter. If you want to download that, just type into Google like I do, Focuswriter here, and you just have to go to either to CutCode or SoftSonic here. Either one works. If you want Focuswriter, here you go. It's in SoftSonic. This is what it looks like. This is a much more focused experience in writing. It's much more primitive as well, but there is a uh less tools like formattings and things like that. So really it depends on your preference if you want something more modern like Google Docs, or maybe you want to have to focus more and something more dedicated, in which case I recommend of course Focuswriter as well. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.